Hello everyone. Welcome to the PLANGEA Web tutorial, the online platform to support strategic land use planning developed by the International Institute for Sustainability, IIS. In this video, we will showcase the main features available on the website and the interactive map. Access to the platform should be done through the website, plangea.earth. On the main page, you will find information about the development and application of the PLANGEA multi-criteria modelling, an approach to optimise ecosystem conservation and restoration that is used in this platform. In the Applications section, you can access initiatives and projects where this modelling is being applied and improved. You can also download our main publications available in Publications and Data. Platform access is free, but to download data, you need to be logged in. To do this, click on the green Login button located in the upper right corner, and then click on Register. After filling out the form and agreeing to the terms, your request will be responded to shortly. On the main page, by clicking on the interactive map, you can simulate and visualize various restoration and conservation scenarios using 4 filters: prioritization focus, optimization criteria, spatial scale, and action target. In the first filter, indicate whether the focus is on identifying priority areas for ecosystem restoration or conservation. Next, select one or more groups of criteria to be optimized in the prioritization. You can choose whether or not to optimize for biodiversity conservation, climate change mitigation, and/or cost minimization. To learn more about these criteria, click on the information icon. You must also choose the spatial scale of the analysis. For example, whether the restoration or conservation goal is related to the global area or national territories. If your selection is national, which means that the action goal must be achieved in each country, there will be a View and Cut option where you can zoom in on the country of interest. This selection does not affect the optimization results. On the side, indicate the action goal by sliding the cursor, selecting the percentage of areas to be restored or conserved relative to the total available area. Visualization of restoration or conservation efforts start from the most prioritized in red to the least prioritized in blue. For example, for the goal of restoring 30% of available areas, only the priority areas in red, orange, and yellow are explicitly shown on the map. To explore more results, click on the Statistics button below. On the left, choose between bar or radar charts to visualize the estimated benefits for each metric of this custom analysis optimization. On the right, compare the benefits achieved in potential optimization scenarios, whose description is in the information icon. Returning to the map, on the right, you will find a menu of buttons. The Download button allows the logged-in user to download files related to the custom analysis, including the complete report, the map of priority areas, the geo-reference map, the results table for each metric, and metadata. In this menu, you can choose the platform language, the zoom applied on the map, and opacity of prioritization colors. It's also possible to include additional layers in the visualization, such as land use and income bands, and change the base map style. Both the PLANGEA web platform and the modelling are being continuously developed and adapted, allowing the inclusion of new metrics and criteria on customers' demand. If you want to explore unique scenarios and results, please return to the main page by clicking on the PLANGEA logo and click on Contact Us. Fill out the form and tell us about your proposal. To stay informed about Plangea's news and applications, subscribe to our newsletter. We hope you enjoy the platform.